So whenever you're
ready?
The next one.
Are you done? It's recording? Okay, good. Woo! The next sword is very important that you get a gold metallic 260. Normally I'm not so stressful on the colors you need, but you need this one. And you need to stretch it a lot. Otherwise you're going to die because it's that hard to blow up. So once you get it blown and stretched and all kinds of stuff like that, you get your exercise out of there, you're going to have to take until the very tip. And by the very tip, I mean at least 4 fingers and blow this sucker up. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's a rush. That's what these balloons are about. Now, once you get that, you're going to have a little bit of a tail there. You're going to take your finger, push that right into the center of the balloon. You're going to grab the nut through the center and then pull out your finger. Give it a little twist. That's going to be the jewel at the bottom of the sword. You're going to give it a handle. You're going to go a little bit higher because you need some room. You don't want a crunched hand in the middle of this. This is for like somebody royal. So you make it a little bit bigger. Give it a little twist. And then you go 1, 2, 3 little bubbles. Give it a little twist. Notice how there's a bigger, smaller, bigger bubble. You do the same thing again. Bigger, smaller, bigger bubble. And then you're going to twist that one more time the same exact way. Bigger, smaller, bigger bubble. And when you twist that around, you will say, oh my goodness, that is the coolest, most amazing jeweled sword I've ever seen, even with sharp. But it gets better. You're going to take each of these little bubbles and you're going to twist them. You're going to fold them. You're going to pinch them and you're going to shape them till you have jewels on every side of your sword.